Okay, now welcome back to the next question. The next question says find the number of committees three that can be formed consisting of 2 men and 1 woman from 4 men and 3 women. Okay, solution. This question comes from combination. Okay, combination. So to answer this, okay, we say a committee of 2 men and 1 woman can be formed from 2 men and 3 women. Okay, in 4 combination 2 times 3 combination 1 ways. Okay, which give us 4 factorial over 4 minus 2 factorial times 3 factorial into 3 minus 1 factorial to give us 4 factorial over 2 factorial times 3 factorial over 1 factorial. Okay, which will give us 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 over 2 times 1 times 2 times 1, okay, times 3 times 2 times 1 over 1 times 1. So 2, we cancel this 2, we cancel that 4. So we have 3 times 2 times 3 times 2 to give us 6 times 6. Okay, to give us 3 minus 1. Sorry, 3 minus 1 is 2. Okay, so we have 2 times 1. Sorry. So this will give us this will cancel this. So we have, I hope you understand what we are doing. I'm very sorry, please. So we have 6 times 8, which is equal to 6 times 3, which is equal to 18, which makes option B to be the correct answer. Alright, let's move to the next question. Next question says, by how much is the mean of 30? Okay, by how much is the mean of 40, of 30, 56, 31, 55, 43, and 44 less than the median? Okay, mean, which is by x, is equal to summation of x over n, which will give us 30 plus 56 plus 31 plus 55 plus 43 plus 44 over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 over 6 to give us 43. Okay, to give us 2 159 over 6. Okay, which is give us 43.17. Okay, 43.17. Now, by rearranging this number again, the given data, okay, we have 30, 31, 43, 55, and 56. Okay, we have 1, 30. I think okay, we have 44. So in this place we have 44 here. Okay, sorry, so we have 56 and we have mean. Okay, we equal to 43 plus 44 over 2 to give us 43.5. Okay, so I will ask that by how much is the mean, okay, less than the median. Okay, which means that mean minus median is equal to 43.17 minus 43.5 to give us 0.33. Okay, which is option D to be the answer. So thank you for being attentive. Thank you. I wish you this is where we are going to end. This is the ending part of the year 2003 JAMB Mathematics class question for the solution. I wish you best of luck. Thank you.